switching up me. You don't know what I have to do to get here. Don't be switching up me.
Flip me some seeds, bro.
How do you know I have those? Have you been watching me?
Seeds.
What's with the teeth?
You sick son of a bitch! I'll do anything you ask, just leave me and my family alone.
Put him in the cage.
What is up, everybody? Jayden Jesse here, back for another video. I apologize if I sound a little stuffy, because hay fever is kicking my butt this morning. But we move, we continue. I missed a couple of days of videos. I know that because I had some things going on, man. I've been busy, but I'm putting up a video today, and there's a video going up tomorrow as well. So, today, we are reacting to Cyanide and Happiness. Now, I love Cyanide and Happiness, man. I've been watching them ever since high school, ever since before then, man. They have been popping off like crazy for a long time. They've got card games, they've got, board games or whatever. They've got everything, man. And so today we're going to react to some of their shorts, this compilation, because I haven't seen their stuff in a little while. I haven't watched it in a little while, man. But what gave me the idea, I'm going to be very honest, is I saw Blasphemous HD posted a video on them the other day. I don't know if it was an old video or a new video. I know his channel had some issues, and he's been re-uploading videos. I don't know if that's the case with this one, but it gave me the idea, man. I thought, well, you know what, I'm gonna watch some Cyanide and Happiness, man, because they were really good when I watched them before. So anyway, guys, no more talking. Let's get into it. Cyanide and Happiness. Let's go. This is a try not to laugh challenge, by the way, as well. I get 3 laughs. I almost said 5. I wish. Oh, come on.
Steviously on Stevie McShort stuff.
Hey everyone, check out the fucking shrimp! Help me!
Okay.
Hey boss, got time for a short meeting?
No time for small talk, eh, Stevie?
Hey, there's the big guy.
What? What is happening? This is obviously another part to this that I haven't seen, but we move anyway. Let's go.
Mr. McBusinessman. As you can see, Stevie Incorporated is experiencing nearly uninterrupted growth for the 40th quarter in a row.
Mr. McBusinessman, your leadership and strong insistence to focus on big products and big ideas has made us the biggest company of all time.
Standing here with you in the tallest building in the world, I can't help but get emotional about how far we've come as a company and how huge an impact you, sir, have had on all of our lives.
This guy's about to crack.
Can't take it anymore!
Damn ads.
I've been at this company for 20 years, and I've done nothing but listen to lie after lie. It's all a sham. This graph, it's upside down. Yeah. We've never made a quarterly profit, and we never will if we keep fooling ourselves. This isn't even the tallest building on the block, let alone the world. Hey, check out the short building. Nice. And Johnson?
No.
He's not even real. He's been too scared to come in for years. Yes, big. Ha ha ha. It's all fake. And you're just a small man with tiny ideas and a minute grasp of economics. Only you.
Dude, you're gonna explode.
This company's soul.
You're gonna explode. Everybody but him. Oh my no. Wait, what?
Corner office. CEO. He appreciated my honesty. Thank you, Mr. McMrs. Thank you. Secretary, call my wife. Does this come with a raise?
Your wife is on line 1, sir.
Such a big build up for that.
It's come to my attention,
Electro.
Jack, that you've been taken a little off the side when it comes to the handling of my business.
Boss, fatty bones, please, just listen.
Now, we don't like parasites round here, do we, boys? We all know what happens to parasites, right?
Oh, fatty, please.
Give him the concrete shoes.
No, please.
No.
I'll do anything.
What?
I can't go like this. Look, if you're gonna give me concrete shoes, at least let me choose what kind they are.
Well, who am I to deny a man his final pair of shoes? As is well established in mob tradition, you may choose your final shoes. What'll it be? All right.
We're gonna pick some Yeezys. Watch.
Now dump this rat the drink. What? You damn mooks! Never the platform shoes! Do you see him?
No. That wasn't a laugh. That wasn't a laugh. That was a chuckle.
Oh my God! I killed him! But did I really kill him? After all, I didn't pull the trigger. It was that mugger who fired the gun as I struggled to stop him. Am I immoral for failing to stop an immoral act? No. No, I did nothing wrong. Except I held the door open for that mugger moments before he did the murder. I enabled it. Yes. It's my fault. This man is dead.
No, you
But I
absolved
opened the door
yourself.
For everyone. Can I be blamed for my good deed enabling the bad
No,
deed of
no, you
another?
can't.
No.
No.
It was his bullet that ended
You
the
absolved
man's
yourself.
life.
Let it go.
But I sold him that bullet just this morning. The very
Bruh.
bullet that killed this man. I'm a killer.
You don't know it was the same
wretched
bullet.
Killer.
Maybe you had some
But
from
then
before.
my job is to sell bullets. I have
Exactly.
no way of knowing, and I donate part of my paycheck each week to the Children's Cancer Center, which is why I'm here at the bank in the first place. The money
Yep.
from the bullet that killed this man, a man who I now see is probably racist, may in fact save an innocent life. I am not only blameless, I'm good. I'm a good person. Awesome.
No. Okay,
Play the
alright,
tape.
one laugh. That's one laugh. Again, excuse my nose.
Oh my God. I killed him. Awesome.
No. No. Oh no, no.
Hello?
Hey, give me some seeds, man.
Who is this? How did you get this number?
Slip me some seeds, bro.
How do you know I have those? Have you been watching me?
Seeds.
What's with the teeth?
You sick son of a bitch! I'll do anything you ask, just leave me and my family alone.
Put him in the cage.
Ah. Alright. Alright, that's 2. Hey, this one's with Tom's car. Love Tom's car,
Agent
man.
7. Jolly good. You're just in time to learn about my latest invention.
Ah, yes. I've heard about this clue.
This explosive homing projectile is concealed in the colon for covert emergencies. A mere strain of your bowel will fire the missile at your target.
Good lord, Clue. This might be your most ingenious invention yet.
I haven't installed it yet, Agent 7.
No. 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 I don't know.
50 years of gaming history has brought us here. Welcome to the next evolution in game.
All right, miss. If you recognize any of these men as the one who tried to serial kill you, just point him out and we'll toss him straight in jail forever. No trial.
How long we got left?
Can you do that for me?
All
I
right.
think I can. I'm not sure.
Just try, okay? Focus. Look at all the guys. Oh, Jesus.
Jeez. What?
Come on, lady. Let's hurry it up.
I don't know.
I was gonna say, I wonder if this has ever happened, but also, like, I mean, I would assume that when they get put in the lineup, they're not allowed to have things like that, but who knows? Maybe they didn't search properly. Who knows?
Just need that positive ID. Come on. For the love of God, even a guess.
You know, it was really
No,
dark and...
Ma'am?
Wait, I've got it! That's him right there!
Oh no.
You're free to go, Mr. Eye Stabber.
Wow. No. No. Cooking for the boss.
What?
Okay.
That was today? Oh,
I feel like some Mr. Bean situations are going to ensue. Whole turkey in the microwave? Let's go.
Buzz, come on in.
Jackson, I'm so excited to try this world-class cooking I've heard so much about. I've been purging all day just to make room. Bless this, will ya?
What
Tell me
the-
more where that came from
What?
after this feast.
Is that vomit or poop? Is that vomit or poop? I kind of want to know. But I'm curious. Is it vomit or poop?
Just
Yeah,
one
that looks like
second. I
poop.
just gotta go finish one. No, there's gotta be something. Come on. Gotta find some food. Aha! Hot and fresh off the stove.
Ah, gumbo! I must say, it's quite colorful. Is this clownfish?
It's an Asian gumbo.
Ah, Asian Cajun. What an occasion! And the little scuba diver?
He's Asian.
Eh. Ah, what a fantastic appetizer.
Appetizer?
Keep him coming. I've got room to spare.
Oh, come on.
No.
Ah, what else you got?
Was that the same bird from before too? Because if so, maybe he kind of deserved it. Maybe. A little bit. Don't hurt animals, guys. No! Actual ants on a log. What? What the fuck is the point?
Jackson, if your
the
leadership
hell's the
skills
point?
are half as unique as those flavors, then I do believe I'm looking at my new...
So he had a steak. Wait, no. Was that just like supposed to be like a picture of a steak? Let me just double check that because... Yeah, I guess it was just a picture
Jackson,
mistake. Okay,
if
I
your
was gonna
leadership
say.
skills are half as unique as those flavors, then I do believe I'm looking at my new assistant manager. Here's your official employee discount card.
Wow, thank you, sir. I don't know what to say.
Say we'll do it again. Same time next week.
Yeah, next week. You got it, sir.
Can't wait to taste those flavors again, Jackson, next week.
No.
Can't wait to taste those flavors
No,
again.
no.
Next week,
What?
next week.
What? No. No. Oh my god, no. No. Okay, alright then. Okay. Well, I lost. I lost the Try Not to Laugh challenge. It's Cyanide and Happiness, man. They have like big build-ups to like the endings will always like knock you for a 6, man. They really will. Oh god. Well, anyway, guys, if you liked the video, please like the video and comment down below. Tell me what I should react to next. Tell me what I should do next, man. It's a variety channel, man. We do about everything. Okay. Please go and watch the original video at Cyanide and Happiness's channel, Explosive Entertainment. The link is also in the description down below. I can't talk today. So yeah, guys, thank you everybody so much for watching. Take care. Peace.